Opening 3 Erling Haaland Limited Edition packs, looking for signature, or if we're extremely lucky, real auto. So that's just the basic. We don't want 3 of these. We want at least 1 special hit. There we go, second chance. Nope, it's another basic. I mean, I won't complain at 3. 3 of these is still better than 2 of them. But I would really like to get a special pull if we can. Boom! There we go, there we go, there we go. We got the signature. 8 packs I've opened. This is the 9th. Oh, that is really nice. That is a really nice card.